Hi, I'm Pitmaster X. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be smoking beef flat ribs. So the first thing that I did was start up the Kamado Joe Classic. I filled it up with charcoal, added 2 chunks of smoking wood. In my case, I used a little bit of hickory. I put the deflector plates on, grill grates on, and now I set it with top and bottom vent almost ½ centimeter open. And now we're going to prepare the meat. So here we have beef flat ribs. So the ribs are underneath, there's a membrane here, this is the top, and there's some fat there. Sometimes you want to keep the fat, but sometimes you want to take them away. In this case we're doing low and slow, and I'm taking the fat cap and the silver skin off to have the rub that I'm going to put on it penetrate perfectly. So the way you remove the fat and the membrane is just take a sharp knife and start slicing into the fat. Now be careful that you're not slicing off too much meat, that will be wasteful. It's definitely a good idea to save the fat and to use it on a different cook. For instance, if you're cooking something in a cast iron pan, this fat is perfect to grease it up. Now there is a big chunk of fat right here, and I want to leave that on because this goes all the way up into the muscle here, and I just want to leave it, otherwise I have to slice too much meat off and the chunk will become really odd shaped. So I'm leaving it like it is right now. For our rub I have 1 part fresh ground black pepper. To that we'll add ½ a part of fine salt and 1/8 part of garlic, 1/8 part of celery powder. If you're unable to get celery powder, never mind, just forget about it. What celery powder does is turn it almost into a broth flavor. So it's really exciting, but if you can't find it, forget about it. Shake that up a bit, make sure it mixes well. This is almost like a Texas rub. Most part is black pepper and salt. Now we'll apply this to our beef flat ribs. Let's open up the Kamado Joe Classic and put the beef flat ribs on. There we go. Beautiful. Now we'll give it around 5 hours. Of course, we'll check the temperature for doneness and see you guys in a bit. Our beef ribs are done. I just checked them and they're 92 degrees Celsius, which is around 197 degrees Fahrenheit, 198 degrees Fahrenheit. So they're done. We're taking them off and we're going to wrap them in tin foil. Oh wow, the bones popped out. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's take them off. There we go. Look at that. That truly is beautiful. And the smell is amazing. So we'll put a little bit of tin foil over it and let it rest. It's been around 15 minutes. It's really cold outside, so I don't want to rest it too long, but normally I would suggest resting it for 30 minutes or keeping it in a container to keep it like a little bit warm, but we're just going to slice into this. It will definitely be juicy. Got a nice smoke ring to it. Nice bit of color, nice bark on the outside, nice and crispy. Inside juicy. Well, the bark is my favorite part. Oh, it's just like brisket. It's got this nice little pull to it. Perfect. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Maybe visit me on Facebook if you like shorter videos or Instagram. See you guys next time.